Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German Grammar. In this video, you will be learning about the question word Wohin.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for learning German for free and in the easiest way. We offer structured courses for A1, A2, B1 and B2 and a variety of topics from grammar and vocabulary to common mistakes one can make in German. You can visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, podcasts, transcripts, early access to our videos, and more.
Fragewort Wohin. Wohin ist ein Lokalfrageadverb, wo du nach einem Ziel fragst. A local question adverb where you ask for a destination. We will need to look at some questions to understand. Here is the first one. Wohin gehst du? Wohin gehst du? As you can see, here again, the W word, wohin, is at the beginning of the question, and the verb is in the second position. Wohin fliegst du im Urlaub? Wohin fliegst du im Urlaub? Wohin asks about a destination, and the answers show a movement, eine Bewegung. Here you would use prepositions that take the accusative case. In die Türkei, unter den Stuhl, ins Zimmer, an den Strand, etc. However, there are two other dative prepositions that are commonly used to answer questions with wohin, nach and zu. Nach Hause, nach Japan, zu Oma, zum Arzt und so weiter. Here are some other questions. Wohin kommt das Sofa? Wohin kommt das Sofa? Wohin fährt sie gerade? Wohin fährt sie gerade? Wohin bringst du die Kinder? Wohin bringst du die Kinder? Wohin hängst du das Bild? Wohin hängst du das Bild? Do you know some questions that begin with wohin? Do write them in the comments below. If you are confused between wo and wohin, you can watch our videos on this topic. The link is in the description. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. To practice what you have learned, become a patron free of cost and download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. All links can be found below in the description. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!